Good afternoon, students. Now see the remaining part of the chapter, the red trap. See here. You should not have resigned from the regiment, said the Iron Master. Here, the Iron Master is saying that you should not resign from your job. That was the mistake. If only I had still been in the service at the time, it will or it never would have happened. See here. Here, the Iron Master is saying that if I had been in the service at that time, okay, I will not allow you to leave that service. Well, now of course you will come home with me. Okay, by the way, he is saying that, by the way, okay, leave it. Whatever happened to you, leave it. Okay, now you can come home with me. Now see in the next paragraph, to go along up at the manor house and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. That however did not please the tramp. Here the meaning tramp means, okay, wanderer, to move from here to there. Okay, to go along up to the manor house. Here the word manor means big house. Okay, uh, now the red trap is going to the big house, which is permitted by the iron master. Okay, and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrades. Here the regimental means here army man. Okay, regimental means army man and comrade means companion or colleague. Okay, that however did not please the tramp. See, if he goes to the if he goes to a house which is a big, okay, which is a big, and it belongs to a regimental comrades. Okay, that things did not please to him. Okay, now see in the next paragraph. Now see student, this is the next page number 37. See here. Now I couldn't think of it, he said, looking quite alarmed. Okay, by listening that the Iron Master is taking him to his home, he is just alarmed. Okay, and he couldn't think of it. See here in the next line, he thought of the 30 kroner. Okay, now he is in a confusion that he theft the 30 kroner, and if he goes to that big house, he will be caught. Okay, now this is the tension which confuses him. See here, to go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. See here, if he goes to the manor house, okay, now he is going to the manor house. So, if he goes to the manor house, he is thinking in his mind that he is throwing himself, means if he goes to the manor house, he will be caught by the iron master that he theft 30 kroner. Okay, means he will come to know, who will come to know, the iron master will come to know that he is a thief and he theft 30 kroner. Okay, now see, why he is using here lion's den. He is using here lion's den because it is a place where he will be caught. Okay, he only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously. Inconspicuously. See here, the word is inconspicuously. Okay, the word meaning is inconspicuously means uneasy. Okay, means not suitable for everyone. See here, in the forge. See here, the word in the forge means iron store. The meaning of the word forge means iron store. See here, what does he want? What does he want? He just want to stay here and to sleep only, nothing else. Okay, nothing, he don't want to eat food, only he want to sleep here and just rest here. Okay, but what happened? And then sneak away. The word meaning sneak away means to go away silently, to go away silently. Okay, sneak means to go away silently. As possible, the Iron Master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. See here, what Iron Master assumed that? Iron Master is thinking that Iron Master here the Iron Master, in this line, the Iron Master is thinking that Iron Master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. Okay, if you see that if anybody in a in a miserable condition, okay, if anybody in a miserable condition, uh, here also the iron master is seeing that the red trap is a in a miserable clothing, so that he is feeling that I think you are in a miserable clothing, that's why you are feeling embarrassed. See here, the word meaning embarrassed means sharminda, okay. See the next topic. Please don't think I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there. Okay, here the iron master is saying that please don't see that, or please don't think that you are going in a big house, okay, you yourself as a big, okay, because I have a courage for, or I have a humanity for poor people, okay, for needy people. He is saying like that. See here, he said Elizabeth is dead, okay. He is saying now, he is saying about his house, okay. He is saying that the Elizabeth is dead. As you may already have heard, my boys are abroad and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter, okay. He is saying that nobody is in house only except his oldest daughter and myself and me, okay. We were just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for Christmas. Here he is saying that in the Christmas evening, okay, or in the Christmas time, uh, he needs, okay, here he is saying that, here the iron master is saying that he needs a companion for to celebrate the Christmas, and you are one of that companion, okay. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. Now he is saying that if you join us, okay, he is saying that if you join us, then it will help us to finish the food faster, okay. Means by your company we will finish the food faster of the Christmas Eve. Now see the next part. Now see here students. But the stranger said no and again no, and the iron master saw that he must give in. Here the word meaning give in means to defeat, okay, to defeat by the red trap. To defeat means har manna, okay. See here, but the stranger said no and no again, okay. Again he is saying that no, I don't want to come in your house. It looks as though Captain Von Stahel preferred to stay with you tonight. Jenstorm. See here, the word Jenstorm means it is the name of the blacksmith. Okay, this word, it is the name of a blacksmith. Here the captain is saying that listen blacksmith, the red trap seller is wanting, okay, the red trap seller is wanting to stay with you, so he is not coming with me, he said to the master blacksmith and turned on his heel. The words, after saying these words, okay, after saying these words, here master blacksmith and turned on his heel. Iron master is saying to blacksmith that he is not agree to come with me, that and after saying this, that he is turning his face, okay. Now see in the next para. See here student. But he laughed to himself as he went away, and the blacksmith, who knew him, understood very well that he had not said his last word. He is understanding, okay? He very well knows that. He very well knows that what the Iron Master he wanted to say, okay? He knows that what the Iron Master wanted to say, but he is not saying his last word. Now see in the next para. It was not more than half an hour before they heard a sound of carriage wheel outside the forge, and a new guest came in. Now see who will come in the next, okay, in that forge. But this time it was not the Iron Master. He is saying that this time it was not a Iron Master, okay. Something, okay, or someone is different now. He had sent his daughter apparently hoping that she would have better power of persuasion than he himself. Okay, now he sends means the Iron Master sends his daughter to take the to take the red trap seller, okay, to take the wanderer, okay, to take the trap to his or her house, okay, because he refused to the iron master that he will not come to his house. Now the daughter is come, okay, now the daughter is come and she has the more persuasion power to convince her, okay, or to convince him. See here, she entered, followed by a valet carrying on his arm a big fur coat. Okay, she came in that forge. Okay, she came in that forge. Along with her, there is a man. Along with her, there is a man who is carrying a fur coat. Okay, who is carrying a fur coat to give it to the red trap. She was not at all pretty, but seemed modest and quite shy. Okay, she is not pretty. Here, the description of the girl is she is not pretty but seems modest and quite shy. In the forge, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. See here, the forge it is as old as, okay, it is as old as, or the things are just as beforehand. See here, the master blacksmith and his apprentice, okay, who is apprentice? See here, apprentice means trainer, okay, trainer. See here, his apprentice sat on his bench and iron, and charcoal still glowed in the furnace the stranger had. See here, the things which is going on, okay, the things which is going on, he is declaring the things which is going on, that the iron and the charcoal still glowed in the furnace, okay, he is saying just like that. The stranger had. See in the next page.